C.
Hiba, which triangle are we talking about? We are
ABM.
talking about the, yes, triangle ABM, the green triangle. So in the green triangle, just focus on the green triangle and nothing else,
AM.
okay? Yes, very good. So AB plus BM is going to be greater than AM. Now, focus on the other triangle, which is, what's the name of
BC.
this triangle? ACM. Okay?
Okay.
So in this triangle, we can say that AC plus AM, I'm sorry, AC plus CM is greater than
AM.
very good, AM. Okay, and how we have done this is because you will come to know when we first, what we do is we add both of them together. So we say we add them. So when you add something like this, what does it have to be? The left hand side. So basically in the middle, both of them have greater than, right? If one of them was less than, then you couldn't do this. You won't be able to do it like this. Okay. You have to arrange it in such a way that, one sec, I think it's not recording. Let me start recording it. No, it is. Okay, good. So you have to arrange it in such a way that whatever is over here, whatever symbol is here should be the same, whether it is equal to, or it is less than, whatever it is, it should all be the same. Okay. So, all right, over here we have the same thing. Now we start adding. By adding, we start adding the left-hand side to the left-hand side. And then in between, we put this symbol. And then the right-hand side to the right-hand side. So what will the left-hand side become? Can you please dictate and I'll write it. Just start adding all of these things. This whole thing plus this whole thing.
AB plus BM plus AC plus CM
Very good. Is greater than?
is greater than 2AM.
Very good, 2 AM. Now, Hiba, just tell me what is BM plus CM. Just look at it. BM plus CM. What does it give you?
M.
Sorry, can you repeat?
M.
M is a point, bacha. BM is a length. BM is this entire length. CM is this entire length. When you add these two lengths, which length do you get? Which length do you get when you add both these things?
2.
What is this length?
B.
B is a point. What is this length, Hiba? Isn't it BC?
Yeah.
Did you understand? What have we done? We did BM plus CM. And see how BM plus CM gives you BC, right?
Yeah.
So we have this BM plus CM gives you BC. And we are remaining with this last thing, which is AC. Okay, or instead of AC, you can just write it as CA. It's the same thing. Whether you write it as AC or write it as CA, it's the same thing. Okay. So this BM plus CM, we wrote it as BC because BM plus CM gives you BC. Got it, Hiba? Any confusion till here?
No.
Good. So again, what's remaining on the right hand side? It is 2 AM. Now see in the question, what is the question asking? The third thing they're asking you, what are they asking, Hiba?
Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM?
What are we getting? Yes, what are we getting? Okay, which part did you not understand, Hiba?
What will we get?
Heba, we have gotten this. This is the result which we have gotten. This is the thing that they're asking in the question. Just see this result and see the question and just tell me if they are the same or not.
They are the same.
Right? So that's what they were asking. And how did we get this result? See, it's written, just a sec. It's written, the question says AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 AM. They're asking you whether it is greater than 2 AM or not. Okay. And they have even written a hint that you have to consider the sides of these two triangles. Which two triangles?
Can you explain the whole thing again?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. In the question, they're asking AB plus BC plus CA, is it greater than 2A? They're asking you to check it. They're asking you to check whether this thing, the statement is true or not. Okay. So let me just draw the diagram of the triangle again. Okay. This is our median. So M in this case is a median, and this is our triangle ABC. Okay. And they've even given you a hint that you have to consider, or you have to take a look at the sides of these two triangles, the smaller triangles. Okay. This is what you're supposed to be looking at. These two triangles. So first, let's focus on the green triangle. All right. In the green triangle, when we talk in any triangle, when we talk about the sides, okay, what relation do the sides of a triangle have with each other? The relation is that any two sides, the sum of any two sides is going to be greater than the third side. That's the relation, right? So in this green triangle, you could have done, let me show you. You could have done this side plus this side greater than the third side. You could have done it like that also. But why did we choose to do it like AB plus BM greater than the third side? Because we can see in the question, the result that we need is that we want AM, we want it to be something plus something greater than AM. Okay, why? Because here greater than AM, greater than AM. Okay, that's why we want it to be in this pattern. Are you understanding till here, Hiba?
Yes.
Okay, so what two sides, the sum of which two sides is going to be greater than AM in the green triangle?
Can you repeat the question again?
The sum of which two sides is going to be greater than AM in the green triangle?
BM.
BM and
AB.
Very good. BM and AB. Okay. Now, so this thing was for the green triangle. Now take a look at the pink triangle and tell me something plus something should be greater than AM. So even in the pink triangle, in both
CM.
these triangles you have in both these triangles you have AM is common in both of them, right? So you will say yes, CM plus
AM. No, sorry, AC.
Very good. Plus AC is greater than AM. So now what we are going to do, we don't need AM on the right hand side. What do we need on the right hand side, Hiba?
2 AM.
2 AM. How do you think we can achieve 2 AM?
By adding all them.
Yes, by adding them. So we say adding, okay, adding these two things. What do we get by adding them, Hiba? What do we get on the left hand side and what do we get on the right hand side? So first tell me the left hand side, please.
B B BM plus
Yes.
AB plus
Hmm.
CM plus AC gives 2A. Sorry, is greater than 2AM.
Very good. Okay. I'm sorry. So here we have reached this. Now from here, Hiba, in our question is asking AB. Do we have AB? Yes, we have AB. Okay. Then the question says BC. Do we have BC? No, we don't have BC. Let's see what we can do
No.
about that. Then do we have CA? It's asking CA. Do we have CA? Hiba?
I
Hello.
can't hear you.
Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm asking, the question is asking us for a CA. Do we have a CA over here?
No.
We don't? What is this?
AC.
Is AC different from CA?
No.
No. So is it the same thing?
Yeah. So we just
Yes.
have
So
to find BC.
very good. So we just have to find BC. This is the only thing that's remaining. So just take a look at BC from this figure, BC. BC is made up of two parts. Okay. Or if I say it like this, that Hiba, this is Hiba's home. Okay. Then this is Hiba's friend's place. And this is Hiba's school, let's say. Okay. So if I say that Hiba goes to her friend's place and the distance is, let's say, 5 kilometers. And from her friend's place, again, then she goes to her school, which is 4 kilometers. So what is the distance between Hiba's home and the school?
9 kilometers.
How did you do that? Yes, how did you solve it, bache?
We added them.
Yes, we added both of these things. So what are we saying here? That if you have these 3 points that are lying on the same line, it's basically the same line divided into two parts, right? So this distance HF plus the distance FS is going to be equal to this distance HS. Okay, did you get it?
Yeah.
So let me write it over here. HF plus FS is equal to the distance HS. So similarly, the same thing we're going to apply here. BC is divided into two parts. What are those two parts? Let's try to find them in our left hand side. What are those two parts, Hiba? Yes, Hiba, what are those two parts
Can
that...
you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. I wasn't able to hear you. Yeah, tell.
BC.
Yeah, so BC is what we are supposed to find, but over here we don't have BC, right? We had AB, we had AC. We don't have BC. So what are those two parts that are going to add up
So
to
how
give
will we
us
find
BC?
BC?
Hiba, BC over here, just look at the triangle. BC, this is BC. It is made up of which two parts?
BC and BM and CM.
Very good. Do we have BM and CM in over here?
Yeah.
Yes, so we have BM also and we have CM also. So BM plus CM gives you?
BCM.
BC. It gives you BC. BC is this length, Hiba, this length. Okay.
So what will be BM plus CM?
BM plus CM is BC.
Oh, okay, understand now.
Okay. Now our AB is as it is, AB, and then our AC, or we can write it as CA also. So if you rearrange these, it becomes AB plus BC, just rearranging, okay, nothing different. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. So
Greater than
have
2
we, yes, have we reached at our desired result?
Yeah.
Yes, good.
Can you give me 1 minute to write it down?
Okay. Done, Hiba?
No, just give me 1.5 minute.
No, no, sure, sure, do it.
Okay, I completed.
Okay, very good. Now let's, where is my, okay. All right. So let's come, it's a very similar question. Let's come to question number 4. Okay, you have a quadrilateral. Okay. Just a minute. How many, okay. So they are asking us, first of all, Hiba, draw this quadrilateral in your notebook, okay? Let me know when you're done.
I drew it.
Draw it, very good. So Hiba, now you're going to help me solve this question because you just now the one that we have solved, right? It's very similar. Just you have to think a little bit more. You have to think along the same direction, but a little differently. Because over here we have a quadrilateral. The hint, let me just give you the hint. Look at the right side of this inequality. Okay, it's not called an equation because over here you don't have an equal to sign. So it's not an equation, it's called an inequality. But anyway, so look at the right side of this inequality and tell me what are the two triangles that you're supposed to look into.
AC and BD.
AC and BD are not triangles, bacha. AC, okay, fine. So AC is one triangle, one side of a particular triangle, and BD is another side of a different triangle. Okay, it's one side of a different triangle. So now you tell me, just imagine them being sides of two triangles. Which two triangles will you take?
I didn't understand the question.
Okay. AC, you're right in identifying that BD and AC will be included. Okay, like over here, just look over here. We said that, okay, AM, right? We need AM on the right hand side. AM on the right hand side. So we said, well, AM is a side for which two triangles? It's a side for this triangle, the green one, and it is a side of this triangle, the pink one. So we selected which two triangles? ABM, it has AM, we need AM, okay? So ABM, and the other one also needed AM. The other one also needed AM because we need two AM. AM plus AM. Over here it is AC plus BD, so two different triangles. Here also two different triangles, but they have one side in common, which is AM. So here we have AM plus AM, right?
Yeah.
In the first one, it was ABM. In the second one, it was ACM. Okay, we just figured that out by ourselves. The one hint that we were getting from the question was that your triangle should have AM in it. Okay, so here the hint that we are getting is that we're going to have two triangles. One will have AC in it and the other will have BD in it. So can you spot a triangle, or can you spot that AC, the yellow line segment, is a part of which triangle? Can you see any triangle over there that AC is a part of?
No.
Okay. Hiba, do you see any
BC?
triangles inside this quadrilateral?
Yeah.
How many triangles do you see?
4.
Okay. Well, I see 6 triangles. Let me tell you how. So these 4 triangles that you said, they are this one, right?
Yeah.
This one, 2, 3, and 4. Yes? I will tell you which triangles I can see. Actually, not 6, I can see 8. So this is one triangle. Okay. The big one. Can you see the big triangle?
Yeah.
Triangle ACD, that is one triangle. Then come to triangle ABC. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
This is another triangle. Now let me show you one more. Well, there's no space remaining, but okay. Okay. See one more triangle, okay? This one. Can you see this? Triangle BCD.
Yeah.
And now can you see
The below.
let me, yes, very good. This one. What's its name, Hiba? What's the
Isosceles
name?
triangle.
No, what's the name of this triangle? A, B, D.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, I understood.
How many triangles can you now again? How many triangles did we talk about here? The 4 small ones. Then
8 triangle.
total 8 triangles. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, out of these 8 triangles, AC is a part or it is a side of which triangle?
Two triangle.
Very good, Hiba. Excellent, excellent. Really good that you pointed out that it's a part of 2 triangles. Okay. Now see, which triangle do you want to take out of those 2 triangles?
The first one.
Which one is the first one? Please name the triangle, Hiba. That's why we have names of triangles.
AB.
AB is not a triangle. AB is a side. Which triangle are you talking about? A triangle's name has how many letters, Hiba?
3.
3,
ACB.
yes. ACB, okay. So you are talking about this triangle, okay? Now, for the green one, which triangle should we take for the green one?
ADC.
ADC, okay. One sec. ADC. So if you take ADC, you won't be able to get the green line. See, ADC is this. Is the green thing, is the green side a part of this triangle?
No.
No, right?
So ADB.
ADB. Okay, very good. Okay. All right. Now, Hiba, start working on these 2 triangles. First, focus on the yellow one. Focus on the yellow one and find out which 2 sides are greater than AC. Yeah.
Can you repeat the question again?
Yes. Look at the yellow triangle. I'm going to remove the distractions for you. Look at the yellow triangle and tell me the sum of which 2 sides is greater than AC, because that's what we need here, right? Greater than AC.
ACB.
ACB is a triangle, bacha, yes, but the sum of which 2 sides? So which side plus which side is greater than AC? That's what I'm asking.
AB.
AB plus
BC.
very good. AB plus BC is greater than AC. Next, for BD,
DA plus AC.
one sec. DA plus AC.
Sorry,
Which
not
triangle are we talking about?
BA plus BA.
Just a second. I lost the page where we were discussing it. Just a minute, Eva. Okay.
DA plus AB.
Okay. DA plus AB. Very good. DA plus AB. Okay. Now, when you add these, what will happen?
AB plus BC plus DA plus AB is greater than AC plus BD.
Is greater than AC plus BD. But is it the same as what we wanted in our question?
No.
No, it's not. Why? Because in our question, we have AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So we have AB, we have BC, we have DA. but we don't have CD. Instead of that, we have a double AB. Okay, so this one is going to be no. It's not the same. Okay,
Okay.
all right.
Can't we change it?
Okay. Hiba, how will you change AB with CD? You need CD, right? Is
Yeah.
AB equal to CD?
No.
No. It will be equal in the case of, if this is a rectangle, right? Or we can solve it using one more method, Hiba. Let me draw the quadrilateral once again. And in this time, we are going to look at the four small triangles. Okay. We're going to look at the four small triangles. A, B, C. Okay, let me not mess up the order. A, B, C, D. Now, if we look at the four small triangles, we should not have tried this approach actually. Yeah. Look at the four small triangles and let's try to do this for each of them. And okay. Now, Hiba, once again, we have AB plus BC plus CD plus DA should be greater than AC plus BD. Okay. Now, you're going to have to divide this because this is divided into four triangles, right? So now AC and BD. Just like previously we had AC and BD, over here also we're going to look at AC and BD. But now we're going to see AC. Just take a look at AC. AC can be divided into, if let's say you can call this one as O, okay, this center point, this middle point, not middle exactly, but this point over here, this is, let's call it O, fine. So AC can be written as AO plus OC, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, BD, look at BD. So BD can be written as, yes, Eba, tell me. Just like this.
BD will be written. Where's BD?
The blue one, can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. It can be written as
DA plus AB.
Heba. Look at AC. How have we written AC? We have divided AC into two parts, right?
DO plus BO.
Very good. DO plus OB. Okay. BO or OB, it's the same thing. So now we can see that what do we need here? We're talking about AO, this one, okay, OC, which is, just a sec, OC is this one, okay. Then we have, okay, OC is this one. Then we have OB. OB is this one. And DO. So DO is this one. Okay, DO is this one. So now we will look at these triangles. Which triangles? The smaller triangles. Okay, the triangles which have the triangles which have AO as a side. Can you tell me which triangle can we see which has AO as a side?
AC.
Triangle's name, please.
AOC.
AOC has AOC is a triangle. Hiba, AOC.
AOB. AOB.
Very good, Hiba. So AOB is a triangle. So our first triangle, this one is going to be the green triangle. Okay. Then we need OC. For OC, for OC, we will take this one, the red triangle. Okay. So let's take these. Oh, just a sec. All right. Okay, Hiba. So for AO, we are going to look at this triangle AOB. So in triangle AOB, the green triangle, okay, just focus on the green triangle. Which two sides are greater than AO?
AOB.
Which two sides, bache? Which side plus which side is greater than AO? In the green triangle.
BO.
Very good. BO plus?
plus AB.
Very good, Hiba. MashaAllah. Very good. Next. Now let's look at the side OC. Let's look at the red triangle. Okay, look at the red triangle. Not the purple one. The purple one we will look at when we are talking about OB. Okay. So right now.
The red one is DOC.
Yes, very good. Which two sides?
DO plus OD.
DO plus OD is the same thing as DO, bache.
No. DO plus DC.
Very good. Excellent, Hiba. Okay. So till here. Is it everything is clear till here?
Yeah.
Now let's look at OD. For OD, let's look at the yellow triangle. Yes.
DA plus AO.
DA plus AO is greater than DO. Very good. Next, OB. For 1 sec, let me just mark it so that you don't forget which triangle it came from. Next, let's take a look at the purple triangle for OB. Yes, Siba.
BC plus
Very good.
OC.
Very good, Hiba. Excellent. Now, what you have to do is you have to add it all up. Okay, you're going to add it all up. So first, before writing the tremendously long thing down over here, let's just think before writing. Okay. So in our question, we need AB. Okay, we need AB, we need BC, CD, and DA on the left-hand side. Okay, we have AB, done,
Yeah.
checked. We have BC, done,
Yeah.
checked. We have CD over here, done, checked. Do we have DA? Done,
yeah,
checked. Now we have BO, DO. So Hiba, what is BO plus DO? Can you tell me?
I think it will be DB.
Very good. So BO plus DO will be DB. Then AO plus OC will be
AC.
AC. Very good. So now if when we add them, we have AB plus, I'm just going to write all of these things in order, whatever we already have, the things that we checked off our checklist. AB plus BC plus CD is over here, the underlined with the red color, CD plus DA. DA is the yellow one. Okay. Plus we have DB plus AC. Okay. Plus BD plus AC. These are something that are extra. Let's see what we can do about them. Okay. This is the extra thing. I'm going to underline it with some random color. Okay. This is the extra thing. Okay. Is greater than. Now let's see what is it greater than. So AO plus OC, when we add the right hand side, AO plus OC is how much again?
AC.
AC. And DO plus OB was?
DB.
BD, very good. So on the right hand side, we have AC plus BD. Okay. So the thing is, we are getting this also as expected, but this is not, like, this is something that is extra, right?
Okay.
So yes, again, this is another way of solving it. Like first we saw how to do it using 2 triangles, but here we can see how to do it using the 4 smaller triangles. That again, it is going to be problematic. The answer is no. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Can you move back to the 4th page?
This one. Hiba,
Yeah,
actually, I think there
like
could be a different answer to this. I'm going to look into this and I'll get back to you. Okay. Because I'm somehow not satisfied with this answer. I have a feeling that this answer should be yes. Okay, so I'm going to look back and I'm going to like take a look at this question once more and I'll get back to you in the next class about this. Okay.
Okay.
Done, Hiba?
Yeah.
Okay. Acha, Hiba, I have to discuss something with you. So next week, Monday, we have our classes on Monday and Wednesday, right? So next
Yeah,
week I won't be available on Monday and Wednesday. So instead of our Monday and Wednesday classes, like when can we reschedule the classes according to your convenience?
like some other day.
Yeah, some other day, or we can make it like on Wednesday, which is basically day after tomorrow, we can have a 2 hour class. Is that okay?
I don't think I can have like a 2 hour class.
What about 1.5?
Yeah, yeah, I can only have like for 1 hour because I have to go out like half of the
Okay.
time.
Acha, okay.